Events are actions that occur when a user interacts with a web page. They can be triggered by clicking, hovering, or submitting forms. Events allow us to respond to these interactions and create dynamic web pages. Events matter because they allow us to create interactive web pages. Without events, our web pages would be static and non-responsive. An event listener is a function that runs when an event occurs. We can attach event listeners to HTML elements using the addEventListener method. The onClick event is triggered when a user clicks on an element. We can use the onClick attribute to attach an event listener to an element. The onSubmit event is triggered when the user submits a form. We can use the onSubmit attribute to attach an event listener to a form. The onMouseOver event is triggered when a user hovers over an element. We can use the onMouseOver attribute to attach an event listener to an element. There are three types of event listeners: capture, bubble, and once. We can use the capture attribute to specify which type of listener to use. We can pass options to an event listener using the options attribute. This allows us to customize how the event listener behaves. Here are some common mistakes to avoid when working with events. In this video, we covered the basics of handling events in JavaScript. We learned about event listeners, event types, and common mistakes to avoid. Here are some next steps to take your knowledge of events to the next level. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll cover more advanced topics related to events.